What's up, guys? The #1 Husky fan here today, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get yourself some of these Husky tokens. Now this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. It's going to take a little while, but I'm going to show you both methods, the original method and the more efficient / quicker method to get these coins using MinSwap. Maybe I should call them tokens. Anyways, if you're not familiar with what Hosky is, it is like the Dogecoin of Cardano. Instead of it being a Shiba Inu, it is a Husky for the mascot. It's a pixelated Husky. And the word Husky is a play off of the dog, as well as the a way to pay homage to the founder, Charles Hoskinson, who created the Cardano network. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how. Now the first method is by going to the dog bowl and sending 2 ADA, exactly 2 ADA to this address here. And you will have a chance of getting any of these amounts of coins. Okay. But if you want a more stable method, then I'm going to show you how to use MinSwap, and I'm going to show you how to set that all up right now. So in order to get these Husky tokens, you'll first need some ADA. You can get those on Coinbase or your favorite exchange. Once you have those, you'll need to send them to your ADA wallet. And for this tutorial, we're going to be using Yoroi. So let's go and find the Yoroi wallet. Okay, this is the website, yoroi-wallet.com. And we're going to want to get the Chrome extension. You're going to need Chrome because that's what's working with MinSwap right now. If you're using Brave, the Chrome will work on your Brave as well. So I'm going to click Add to Brave, Add Extension. Wait for it to download. And then it's been added, okay? So go ahead and click that icon there. English. Make sure to read all of this, especially if it's your first time setting up a Yoroi wallet. Click skip there, click create wallet, click Cardano. You're going to want to enter your wallet name. I'm just going to say the #1 Husky fan, and then create a password that is at least 10 characters or more. This countdown is to make sure that you read this following paragraph, okay? Read and comprehend. It's very important because if you lose this this set of 15 random words, then you can be locked out of your coins forever. And also make sure to write these down. So what I'm about to do by writing them down on my computer is actually not the best practice. Make sure to write them down on an actual sheet of paper. I'm just doing this for tutorial purposes only, okay? Okay, not spelled. Liberty, Liberty, my G. Okay, trust, finger, maze, pottery, 2, process, urban, then speak, student, buffalo, tragic. Okay, so once you've written it down, it's going to ask you to re-enter it. So I'm going to go ahead and make this small like this. And we're just going to do the tapping here. So we've got gospel, foot, liberty, trust, finger, maze, pottery, 2, process, urban, then speak, student, Buffalo tragic. Make sure you read these 2 paragraphs as well. Hit pause if you need to. Hit confirm. And boom, your wallet is ready to go. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to click the receive tab. And this string of letters and numbers, this is your Cardano address. So if you have your Cardano at an exchange like Coinbase or wherever, you're going to want to, when it says withdraw, it's going to ask you what your Cardano address is. Copy and paste this here. You can just press that there to copy it. And you can withdraw your coins to your wallet here. Or if your coins are on a phone, you can just scan the QR code. So I'm going to go ahead and actually do that since I've got a few on this phone here. So I'm going to scan the QR code here on my phone and send these coins on the way. All right. So on my phone, it says success. ADA has successfully sent. So if I go here to my transactions, we're going to see a receive pretty soon. Just one thing to note, sometimes your Rory lags a little bit behind the actual Cardano network. So what you can do to kind of speed it up a little bit is click this gear. You can click wallet, click resync, understand, and then click resync wallet. While that's doing that, I'm going to take a little sip of drink. And there we go. We've got our balance there. Okay, so now that we've got our Cardano, we're going to want to get our Husky. Now, the first way is by going to the dog bowl and copy this address here and send exactly to ADA. Make sure you read this. Right now, it says exactly to ADA, to that address. So we're going to go back to our wallet. Go to the send tab. Under receiver, we're going to paste in that address there. Under amount, we're going to paste, or we're going to type in 2, and we're going to send. We're going to put in our password. This is the one that we set up. That was at least 10 characters or more, and click send. Transaction successful. Now, as you can see, it's submitted, and it's going to take a while for this whole thing to process. So while we're waiting on this to complete, I'm going to show you the second way to purchase Cardano, or to purchase Husky using your Cardano, and that is through the MinSwap exchange. So let's open up a new tab, and let's go to MinSwap. MinSwap is a DEX, or a decentralized exchange. So let's click on here. It's going to ask you to connect your wallet, and we're going to go ahead and click yes, connect this wallet here. If it doesn't ask you already, you might have to click up here to connect it. All right, so now that our wallet is connected, we're going to go to trade. Note the URL. We're at app.minswap.org/trade. All right, so now our starting balance is ADA, and we're going to swap these ADA to Hosky. So click that, click Husky here. If it doesn't show up right away, you can just go up here and type it in. And you're going to select how many ADA do you want to trade. So for this example, I'm just going to send, let's just say I want to send 10 ADA. Okay. Swap. Confirm swap. Make sure everything here looks good. Okay. And once it does, hit confirm. All right, it says transaction failed. Or incorrect input specified. Try again. So if you guys get any errors like this, sometimes it's a good idea to go here to settings. Click here, and you want to disconnect the wallet and then reconnect it back again. Okay, so now it shows I got 0 there. So I'm going to disconnect the wallet here. I'm going to go into your Roy, click the settings here, go to wallet, make sure it's not connected in here, go to general. Okay, we don't have any connections in here. Let's go here. We've got a connection in here. Let's go ahead and delete that. All right, now let's go back here, click connect wallet, your Roy. All right. Since we has 1.5 ADA, let's go here. What's going on here? Let's go to setting, or let's go to the gear there. Resync. Alright, so now that that's resynced, let's go back here. Okay, our ADA balance is back correct. Now, let's go here. We're swapping our ADA for Husky. We only want to swap 10. And let's do swap. Make sure everything looks good. Hit confirm. Go in here. Type in your password. Hit confirm. And if everything is done correctly, you'll have this transaction successful. So what you just saw is a troubleshooting technique that I do. Like if you guys have any issues, just disconnect your wallet, reconnect it, and then see if that clears things up. Resync it, just follow those steps that I did there. And boom. Now if we go here to our wallet, we go to transactions, we'll see here where we just sent, it says 14. Now, as you know, I just said 10. And that's because what it does is it takes those extra 4.18 ADA. It uses those to process the transaction. Once the transaction has been processed and it sends the Husky back, it will refund you ADA as well. And we'll see that momentarily. But remember, previously we went and we sent 2 ADA to the doggy bowl. Now let's see how many Husky tokens we got from that. So let's go here. Let's go to transactions. Okay, so we see this transaction here where we sent the 2 ADA. And we see this transaction here where we received 1.2 million Husky. And we also received 1.5 Husky back. So we actually got a little bit of that. I mean, not Husky. We got 1.5 ADA back. So we got a little of that back in our transaction. Now, this transaction here is at a low confirmation. Let's go here to our settings. Let's do a resync. Okay, go to transactions, and boom. So we still have low confirmations here on this transaction, but as you can see, the MinSwap transaction went through, and we now have 246 million Huskies, as well as 2 ADA back. Okay, so out of those 4 Husky that it took, it gave us 2 out of those 4 ADA that it took for the transaction, it returned of us 2 of those ADA back, as you can see here. And if you do the math on the balance, everything should add up when you look at your total balance. So if we want to see all the Husky tokens that we have, let's just go here to assets. And this shows us all the Husky tokens that we have. Now, if you want to get your Cardano back, what you do is you just go back to MinSwap. And then you just click this little reverse card here. It's the Uno reverse button. Ba-doonch. Select that there, and then you can trade all your Husky back for ADA. And it will be traded at whatever the current market rate is. So yeah, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you're trying to get involved in the Husky ecosystem, guys, these are some quick, easy ways to get involved. As you can see, start to finish, didn't take that long. All right, guys, make sure to subscribe for more videos coming soon on this channel. This is the #1 Husky fan. We're all #1 Husky fans here, guys. So share the love, spread the word, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.